In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ticketmaster in Singapore. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to use Ticketmaster to attend any events that you bought tickets for. All that you have to do is make sure that you have the latest version of their mobile app. Nowadays, most events hosted on Ticketmaster will only grant you access if you have the code that needs to be scanned on the mobile app. A screenshot will not work, so it is very important that you have the latest version of the Ticketmaster mobile app. As long as you download the Ticketmaster mobile app from the Play Store or the App Store, you will be granted access when you show the QR code that needs to be scanned upon entry on the event. So inside of the latest version of the app, sign into your account that has the tickets that you want to manage and switch over to the My Events tab, where you can see all the tickets that you own for upcoming events. By selecting any specific ticket or event, you will be able to see the details including the row, the seat, and on the middle of the screen, you will find the code that I mentioned. Like I said previously, there will be a warning telling you that screenshots won't get you in, so you need to have this code open when you are ready to enter the event. By having this code scanned on entry, you will be granted access. So all that you have to do is make sure that your phone brightness is set as high as it can go and that you are inside of this page that has the details about the event, the ticket, and the scan code. When you are ready, show the code to the person and you will be granted access. As long as you have the latest version, you won't encounter any issues while trying to do this. If you have any problems related to your account or the tickets that you purchased, make sure to contact their customer support as soon as possible. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Ticketmaster in Singapore. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.